to live, white lace and promises, a kiss for luck, and we're on our way. Just be the rising sun we find. So many roads to choose. We start out walking and learn to of us working together day to day, together. So much of life ahead. We'll find a place where there's room to grow. Talking it over, just the two of us, working together day to day, together. Ahead, we'll find a place where there's room to grow. Just
Nanuman po'y kaya kong gagawan, kaya kayo pa mong tuknangan. Agkatanda ko po manalbe at makiramdam, karing kantang makabaldugan, ang meging partina ng kaya katamong puso at kaluguran. Ako po'y Jonas David.
Anya naman po, agkatanda kayo pong makyabeking kantaan. Uling no karin meman, dala ng Kapampangan, papakit na yung kayang gelingan. Ako po'y April de los Santos.
At ini po ing OK Musika. Kaya ako po mama ko, uling magbalik kaya pa po, para i-feature din kaya katamong artist.
Nagkatanda ka, tara na, Kapampangan musika, makiramdam ka. Tintang ne, ingo kay musika.
the right one, I know that I'll be true. My first love will be. Don't you remember you told me you loved me, baby? You said you'd be coming back this way again, baby. That is why all the girls in town follow you all around.
New Haven, Connecticut, 1 year after the end of World War II. Hank, did you ever think your student Richard Carpenter would earn 3 gold records?
I said no. And we drove from Murray, Kentucky to, if you remember, to Aberdeen.
Alright, magbalik kami po kining programang Okay Musika.
Kabalen, ko po magtakaw at kapampangan song nandining kinantame. Ika April, ka magtaka.
Yes, that's right. Kasi nganing episode 80, introduce tala ding The Carpenters. Syempre, baluta mo naman, metong kareng legendary music icons.
Yes.
And dahil ken, dakal tamong trivia na pe-present para kareng audience tamo. Begin with it.
Balo mo April, yung buo na palang lagyong Karen is Karen Ann Carpenter.
Aha.
At may panganak ya kin New Haven, Connecticut.
Ay, balo kayo
March.
no? Karin niya in Connecticut.
Yes.
Iba't na ako karin. Connect King Kutkut.
At sa kaya kamong tricycle, Kenny, papunta king Marangle, Pina.
Yes, dakal na akong beses minta ka rin eh, actually.
At saka, may panganak ya po'y Karen Carpenter anyang March 2, 1950. And she was married to Thomas James Boris on August 31, 1980. She did the lead vocals and the drums for the group The Carpenters.
Alright, and balo mo ba, partner, Karen Carpenter pala, mahilig yaking baseball niyang kaya nakana kasi sa katunayan, pitcher ya pala king baseball team na ning kanyang school niyang mag-aral ya. O, diba? Bongga.
Kanya pala talagang healthy ya datang.
Kanya yung boses na niyang kababang-kababa and biyasa yung mag-sustain
Yes.
kaya tang low notes. Grabe. Idol na idol kaya talaga yung Karen Carpenter. And, yung kapatid na naman na Richard Carpenter, which is, who is also part of the group, The Carpenters, was born in October 15, 1946 in New Haven, Connecticut.
April, ating kong isabat, di ba yung Richard at yung gewang song para kang Claire de la Fuente?
Oh yes. Actually, a few years back, mintaya Kenny Richard Carpenter and mag-concert la together eh.
Oh.
Yes. And syempre, syempre baluta mo nga na Claire de la Fuente, yung tinaguri ang Karen Carpenter na ni
Pilipinas.
Yes. And Richard Carpenter mo naman, he did the piano and the backing vocals para kang karelang group.
Okay, bayo tala introduce din kaya katamong fellow kapampangan artist na naning peka favorite mong song Karen Carpenters.
Ay, madakal. Kasi balo mo naman, classic laring songs na and timeless. Kaya renggang songs da, halos sa burikula. Pero ang peka favorite ko siguro, sabi ko We've Only Just Begun. Na